always open. Yeah, my timer is behind, but all right. Apple already with the smaller drop. Let's see how things play out. Uh, didn't I say? Let's see. I'm kind of confused. Is that 9.506? I can't. All right, let's see what things are. Oh, yeah, they interesting to see. All right. I mean, no, that's not. That's kind of what's expected to see for them. Hopefully, it should be an increase, continue to go up. This is NVIDIA. Nothing yet. Movement yet. Microsoft. What you got, Microsoft? Apple don't want to move it right now. Ivana started to move. Let's see what they do. Starbucks. Fire some employees. Starbucks. See what y'all got going on. Mm. All right, let these things play out for a little moment. Why isn't that showing on mine? Let me close this. Yeah, open it back up. Close these two and open it back up. Okay, there we go. Damn. People like that NVIDIA. Okay. So they on the rise back up, and then Microsoft, not doing nothing. Oracle. I don't know what happened in the news, but yeah. Okay. Do-do-do. What is Bitcoin at? 95, so down there, low decline. That's my first meeting of today. I'm gonna need to. I got some time. 10:30. All right. All right. Let's see what Apple doing. Just for that. Ford Motor Company. $9.23. That's a bullish trade. Strike price $10. Can you change? I wish you can. So it's currently trading recent times such as the company's just. So let's see. Let's say it's gonna get to about $10. So hit one. Other options. Do. Thumbs up. I don't need that much. This said limit price stop limit price 125. Let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye out for it. Let's see how they did. Let's see how they're gonna do. Um, said that, and what was the other one? Was and that targets. All right. GameStop. All right, let's see what's going on. Apple staying pretty consistent in their own volume, has slowed down, so not much is going on this Apple side. Carvana, little volume here. That's interesting. It broke through with a little volume. It's good to see. Starbucks surprisingly is going up. How you go up after firing thousands of employees, but you know, corporate employees like that. So let's see how they trickle out. Good initial volume, but volume now has broke through. Damn, Dow Jones people are in it right now. Let's see what they do. Okay, initial jump. People liked it. Staying consistent though. Oracle has been started out high and went down immediately. Good lord. All right. Let's keep out on this Carvana. I'm kind of interested to see this one. Oh, why am I clicking this? What the hell? Interesting. All right. We got a little time. Weekly roundup. Am I able to add this to my calendar? Hopefully I don't get nothing during that time. Nothing crazy going on right now. Carvana has broke through it and is below. Little volume, good initial volume, but little volume right now. So Apple's staying within the range, so nothing much. Starbucks continues to do their thing. Do your thing, Starbucks. Do your thing. The volume on this is actually pretty crazy. Volume and broke through. Ooh, is this where I would hop in at? Right here? It might be. Let's see how this does. But this is probably, you probably see this. Okay, I'm gonna hop in here. Broke even with the volume, positive volume right there. Good to see. This jump keep going down and down, back to where it was, where it started at, or where it left off at Friday. Interesting. Mm. No, it just did not just do that. Let's see. Uh, Okay, Apple isn't doing much. Like, yeah, Apple is not doing much of anything. Carvana has broke through twice. So what time was this around? 38. Probably would have got in there right there. Yeah, right around the 40 mark. Yeah, probably would have got in there. The volume was there. Yeah, that's probably what I wanted when I would have jumped in it. This one, not so much. Not much going on here at Starbucks. Same with Chevron. Nothing going on. Initial volume, but nothing really came from it. This one keeps going down and down. Dow Jones. Nvidia. Oh, a brief little change, but nothing going on now. No, not Nvidia. That's Chevron. Sorry. Nvidia saw a little increase. Volume was there. Nothing came of it though. Oracle. Let's see what's on the heat map and see what's going on. I have Microsoft. Let's see what Microsoft. I think they were getting away from AI, so. Lordy Dotty. We like to party. Volume was there too. My goodness. Alright. Nothing like. Maybe I'm missing some, but. Walmart. Okay. Anybody see the increase? Yeah, simple. Nothing too crazy going on. Thursday. Alright. Let's watch the video real quick. Finish that video I was just watching.
Look and say, okay, well, if I can make 1 to 3 and on average I should be able to make 2 trades per day times, in this case, is $30 per trade. So if your goal would be to take 2 trades a day, you know you can make 1 to 3. That would mean that you made a total of $60 per trading session. But the problem is if you set those daily goals, there's going to be periods of time like we've seen here where you're going to lose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row, that over the course of 3 days, you're just taking loss after loss after loss. And normally what people do if they have these daily profit goals is they're going to start to try to increase their position or take more trades than they should or force trades that are bad in order to try to catch up to that daily goal. So what I'm always going to urge you to do as a beginner trader, and this is something that I wish I started with, is always base things off of process-based goals that are going to ultimately lead you to where you want to go. Each day you're basically focusing on how effectively you followed your process, and more towards the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can use this to set your starting amount, but understanding that you shouldn't be focusing on the money per day, you should be focusing on executing your process, because the more closely you can do that, the goal is generating a process with a small amount of money so that you can take this exact framework and inject more capital into it to be able to scale up your account like crazy. So for example, say we got a little bit better with our trading and we got up to a 45% win rate, right? Even starting with $500, I'm going to show you a little bit into the video how we can use up to $50,000. And so once you have that process dialed in, you can essentially start with $500, use up to $50,000 worth of capital, and now say you're risking 1% of that total amount. Over the course of 50 trades, your balance is now $75,000, which would be $25,000 in profit divided over 50 trades, which would come out to about $500 in profit per trade. And if you're able to take 2 in a day, can bring you up to generating $1,000 in profit in a single trading session. And this is exactly what I deployed when I set up all of my trading systems, to be able to learn them in a model and then inject a larger amount of capital into them, which now allows me to be able to make $3,000-$4,000 in a single day of trading on a routine basis. I have tons of videos where I show you how I do this on a daily process. Okay, I'll add a playlist right here if you want to watch some of those videos after. Okay, so I really can't emphasize enough, it's about mastering a small process and then being able to scale it. Trading is one of the only businesses where you can have 100% proof of concept, test out your business model before you add money to it, and then all you have to do as a trader is be able to execute the things that you've learned that fall into this formula in order to be able to make money. Any other business model, there's so many outside variables that you can't control. This is partially the reason why I fell in love with trading in the first place. So let's take a look at a chart example, and I'm going to share with you how you can position size so that you can always have a uniform amount of risk. Okay, so there's a bunch of ways you can do this. I'm going to first show you with this tool over here, and then I'm going to show you a cool custom tool that I'll give to you at the end of this video if you want to add it, that can speed up this process along the way. So I'll show you a few trade examples and how this sort of pertains to our winning percentage and average risk reward over here. Okay, so I'm charting on TradingView here. Okay, this is what 99% of people who are trading are going to use. Okay, I do have a referral link in the description if you want to join TradingView. All right, so our main goal is to find situations in the market by using indicators and other processes on the chart to anticipate where there could be areas where the price is going to make major changes in direction, which is going to allow us to set up a risk and then hopefully make more money than we're risking. Okay, so this is one trading strategy that we use that uses market structure. So I'm basically counting waves, waiting for this zone to be roughly hit. Okay, so if we play this chart forward, you can see the final wave is created, comes up and moves through that zone. Don't worry if this isn't going to make sense. I have tons more videos explaining how all these indicators work, but I just wanted to show you the general premise of how we design this. Okay, so now I have price starting to move down. This is creating what we call an ABC structure. Okay, so I know from this being a new break of trend and this sort of structure being hit into this Fibonacci projection zone, that if I were to take what's called a Fibonacci retracement from this high down to this low point, I can target this 61.8 level here. Okay, set up my risk so that I know if the price wants to move this general area, this is going to be the zone that I now want to keep as one risk factor, which is now going to be that 2% of my account. So if my entry price is 153.16, target is 153.41 right here, and my stop loss value is 153.41, this is automatically going to give me the exact amount of units that I need to enter my position in to have a corresponding dollar amount of risk. So if I want to risk, say for example, $100 on this trade, I'll need to enter with 400 units with an expectancy to make $300. Okay, so in this situation, the price would come up. So it's a little bit higher for this example, but I would enter in with 400 units. And then the price would play down, our take profit for $348. So you're always at first measuring your risk and having that be a contained amount of money. So for another example, we look at this current trend right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 response levels, fifth wave structure at 3.618, fib retracement off of here. Okay, take profit set up. Okay, we input our orders, 151.24, target 152.17, stop loss 150.93. So if we wanted to risk $100 in this situation, we would have to enter with 322. Okay, so we would set up our order, we would have gotten in right there, and the price would move up to our take profit zone, where once again, we're able to contain our losses here, calculate that, and then if we get the reversal, we're using calculations to always keep the amount of risk uniform. And the reason it's so important to use this calculator is because, say for example, you wanted to buy in here, and you say, okay, I'll just buy in with 400 units here, but now we're losing 2 times the amount that we want to risk. Okay, so now
see what's going on real quick. Okay, Apple's seen a little increase, a little volume there, so that's would be a good sign. Okay, maybe not. Damn. Let's see. Yeah, that y'all didn't really break through, but this broke under, and there you go. Volume's there, and you on a great trajectory for what we needed to see. Starbucks ain't doing shit, so yeah, we close out of that one. Oil ain't doing shit either. Close out that one. Nvidia has broke under and is on. Not Nvidia. Let's step back. Nvidia did break under and it's back on it. Volume's there too. Back to where it started, and it's still going down. Good Lord, is Oracle going down, down? A lot of people sold out. Microsoft same volume there, so I expect it to go down maybe a little bit more. Let's see what happens. Oh, 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 oh. YouTube, do. Okay, doing much. Okay, there's some interesting. Ooh, Apple didn't break through. What was said about Carvana that was the. Oh, just some unusual activities. Let me see is going on with Carvana in the world. Let's see. Carvana. So, hmm. Yeah, I put in too much. You know, they with the announcement of their investment, nothing really going on. Maybe it happen later in the day, but I can't be on here all day, so I'm about to hop off. I'm gonna analyze it for the rest of the day, but that's gonna do it for today's. Goddamn. Bye. Bye. Catch y'all next time.